Whirlpool refrigerators are some of the most reliable on the market, but they still break. Here are the most common Whirlpool fridge problems I see. Number 1. Ice maker failures. Whirlpool ice makers are generally reliable, but when they do fail, it's usually the ice maker module itself or the water inlet valve. Not as chronic as Samsung, but it happens. 100 to 250 to fix. Number 2. Water dispenser stops working. Usually the water inlet valve or a frozen water line. The line that runs through the door can freeze if the freezer is set too cold. Let it thaw naturally or use a hairdryer on low. Valve replacement is 100 to 200. Number 3. Temperature fluctuations. The main control board starts sending inconsistent signals. The fridge cycles between too cold and too warm. Board replacement is 200 to 400. Number 4. Noisy evaporator fan. The fan behind the freezer panel develops a loud squeal. 150 to 250 to replace. The good news about Whirlpool: parts are cheap, widely available, and easy for techs to access. Repair costs are generally 20 to 30% less than Samsung or LG repairs. That's why Whirlpool consistently tops reliability rankings. We repair all Whirlpool models: French door, side-by-side, top freezer, bottom freezer. Same-day service. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.